So now let's see how we can work around with the free transform tool inside of Pixlr E. So in order to work around with that, first of all, what I can do is I can go around into, let's say, for example, edit, and then here you can see that free transform is an option. So if I were to click on free transform, then it selects out the image that you have over here, and then it gives you these handles. You can go around and then resize the handle according to what you like, and then also go on to the end, and it allows you to rotate it out. You can also hold shift on your keyboard to snap it in place, as you can see, so that the rotation is not smooth but perfect. You can see that you can go around and change out the side from the sides that you see right here as well. And as soon as you're okay with the free transform, you can click outside and it says, do you want to apply the transformation? Then you can simply click on yes, and then it applies the new transformation onto the file. You can go around into, let's say, for example, onto edit and then go to free transform. Then this is what you have. You can go around, click and drag this out right here again and change it out however you want. Click outside and press yes, and the free transform gets applied. So you can do this as many times as you want, but when the transform is in an angle, you can see that it takes that angle but gets the transform tool straight, just like this. You can click around anywhere and then press yes. And that is how you can work around with the free transform tool inside of Pixlr E. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.